Hi, today I'm going to be presenting a seminar on classical dances of India. Introduction. India has thousands of year old tradition of fine arts and classical and folk music and dances. Some of the world famous dance forms that originated in India are Bharatanatyam, Kathak, Kathakali, Kuchipudi, Manipuri, Mohiniyattam, Odissi, and Satriya. All these dance forms use basically the same mudras or signs of hand as a common language of expression and were originally performed in the temples to entertain various gods and goddesses. They were also effective in carrying forward the various mythological stories from generation to generation while entertaining the audiences. With time, the classical dances evolved to include the expressions and themes from social life and experiences. Lord Shiva is said to be the Natraja, meaning king of all dances, who is said to perform the cosmic dance that delicately balances life and death and all that is happening in the universe in harmonious cycles. The eight classical dances of India. Bharatanatyam from Tamil Nadu, Kathak from Uttar Pradesh, Kathakali from Kerala, Kuchipudi from Andhra Pradesh, Odissi from Odisha, Satriya from Assam, Manipuri from Manipur, and Mohiniyattam from Kerala. Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam, a preeminent Indian classical dance form, presumably the oldest dance heritage of India, is regarded as mother of many other Indian classical dance forms. Conventionally, a solo dance performed only by women, it initiated in the Hindu temples of Tamil Nadu and eventually flourished in South India. A form of illustrative anecdote of Hindu religious themes and spiritual ideas emoted by dancer with excellent footwork and impressive gestures. Its performance repertoire includes Nritta, Nritya, and Natya. Accompanists include a singer, music, and particularly the guru who directs and conducts the performance. It also continues to inspire several art forms, including paintings and sculptures, starting from the spectacular 6th to 19th century CE temple sculptures. Kathak. Kathak is one of the main genres of Indian classical dance and is traditionally regarded to have originated from the traveling bards of North India, referred to as Kathakars or storytellers. These Kathakars wandered around and communicated legendary stories via music, dance, songs, quite like the early Greek theater. The genre developed during the Bhakti movement, the trend of theistic devotion, which evolved in medieval Hinduism. The Kathakars communicate stories through rhythmic foot movements and hand gestures, facial expressions, and eye work. This performing art that incorporates the legends from ancient mythology and great Indian epics, especially from the life of Lord Krishna, became quite popular in the courts of North Indian kingdoms. Three specific forms of this genre, that is, three gharanas, schools which mostly differ in emphasis given to footwork versus acting, are more famous, namely the Jaipur Gharana, the Benares Gharana, and the Lucknow Gharana. Kathakali. Kathakali, an important genre in the Indian classical dance form, is associated with storytelling form of this art. It is the dance drama from the South India state of Kerala. Similar to other Indian classical dance arts, the story in Kathakali is also communicated to audience through excellent footwork and impressive gestures of face and hands, complemented with music and vocal performance. However, it can be distinguished from the others through the intricate and vivid makeup, unique face masks, and costumes worn by dancers, as also from their style and movements that reflect the age old martial arts and athletic conventions prevalent in Kerala and surrounding regions. Traditionally performed by male dancers, it developed in courts and theatres of Hindu regions, contrary to other Indian classical dance, which predominantly developed in Hindu temples and monastic schools. Although not clearly traceable, this classical dance form is considered to have originated from temple and folk arts that trace back to the first millennium CE or before. Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi, a preeminent Indian classical dance form counted among 10 leading classical dance forms of India, is a dance drama performance art that originated in a village of Krishna district of Andhra Pradesh, India. Similar to all leading Indian classical dance forms, Kuchipudi too evolved as a religious art and connects traditionally with temples, spiritual faiths, and traveling bards. This ancient dance form finds place in the 10th century copper inscriptions and in 15th century texts like Machupali Kaifat. Usually, performance repertoire of Kuchipudi that is broadly oriented on Lord Krishna and the tradition of Vaishnavism included an invocation, Daravu, short dance, Nritta, pure dance, and Nritya, expressive dance, respectively. Odissi. Odissi or Orisi is one of the preeminent classical dance forms of India, which originated in the Hindu temples of the eastern coastal state of Odisha in India. Age-old tradition of Odishi is manifested from Odisha, Hindu temples, and various sites of archaeological significance that are associated with Hinduism, Jainism, and Buddhism. The sculptures of which adorn dance postures of this art form, a form of illustrative anecdote of mythological and religious stories, devotional poems, and spiritual ideas emoted by dancers with excellent body movements, expressions, impressive gestures, and sign languages. Its performances repertoire includes invocation, drita, nritya, and natya, and moksha. This dance form includes themes from Vaishnavism and others associated with Hindu gods and goddesses like Shiva, Surya, and Shakti. Satriya. Satriya dance form was introduced in the 15th century AD by the great Vaishnava saint and reformer of Assam as a powerful medium for propagation of the Vaishnava faith. The dance form evolved and expanded as a distinctive style of dance later on. This neo Vaishnava treasure of Assamese dance and drama has been for centuries nurtured and preserved with great commitment by the Satras, that is, Vaishnava moths or monasteries. Because of its religious character and associated with the Satras, this dance style has been aptly named Satriya. Shankaradeva introduced this form by incorporating different elements from various treaties, local folk dances with his own rare outlook. There were two dance forms prevalent in Assam before the Neo Vaishnava movement, such as Ojapalli and Devadasi, with many classical elements. Manipuri. Manipuri dance is counted among major classical dance forms of India, especially noted for themes based on Vaishnavism and spectacular execution of Ras Leela dance dramas based on love between Radha and Krishna. Other themes include in this art form associate with Shaktism, Shaivism, and on the Sailwan and deities called Umang Lai during Manipuri festival Lai Haroba. This dance form is named after the northeastern state of Manipur. India, a mix of Indian and Southeast Asian culture is palpable in this form. The age old dance tradition of the place is manifested from great Indian epics Ramayana and Mahabharata, where the native dance experts of Manipur are referred to as Gandharvas. The Manipuris perform this religious art that aims at expressing spiritual values during Hindu festivals and other important culture occasions like marriage. Mohiniyattam. Mohiniyattam or Mohiniyattam is an Indian classical dance form that evolved in the state of Kerala, India, and is counted among the two popular dance arts of state, the other being Kathakali. Mohiniyattam adheres to the Lasya type that showcases a more graceful, gentle, and feminine form of dancing. Mohiniyattam derives its name from the word Mohini, a female avatar of Lord Vishnu. Conventionally, a solo dance performed by female artist, it emotes a play through dancing and singing where the song is counted in Mani Paravala, which is a mix of Sanskrit and Malayalam language, and the recitation may be either performed by the dancer herself or by a vocalist with the music style being Carnatic. Thank you.